v into, sorry, this is 1 by, sorry, log x into 1 by x. So this is 2 by x log x. Now we put both the values in first equation. We are putting both the values in first equation. Then final answer is dy by dx equals to log x raised to power x into log of log x plus 1 by log x plus v. What is v? v is x raised to power log x into 2 by x log x. So please note down this thing. Note down these all things. Okay, this is the method of u and v. We already discussed this method in last class. Okay, because this is very important topic, the logarithm differentiation. We have 5 units in differentiation. The first unit is implicit function. We are already done. Then the second unit we start use of logarithmic differentiation, use of log in differentiation. So first reason to apply log, when we have power in the form of x, then we apply the log. Okay, when you have power in the form of x, then you apply log. And this is very simple rule, log m raised to power n. If we have log m raised to power n, that is n log m. Due to this property, the x comes in front. Okay, x is come on the front side, so that is x log of log x. Then the simple product rule, when we differentiate, it is a simple product rule. U we consider as log, u is as considered as y. Sorry, okay. जैसे log y का करते हैं, when we differentiate log y, so this is 1 by y dy by dx. Same thing is with u. We differentiate log u 1 by u into du by dx, and then we differentiate it. Very simple. Okay, you differentiate u separately, v separately. Then when you get the answer, we put in the first equation. Okay, the final result comes from the first equation. The first equation is the last answer. But please copy down this. This is the previous, we already done in previous class. Okay, then we start the new thing now. Okay, this is already I state we have 15 questions in differentiation, that is a star mark questions. Okay, we have 15 star mark questions. We already discussed the first question. We already discussed. Please, Rishabh. We already start the first question, that is x divided by dx. Now in the second star mark question, we start this is x raised to power m, y raised to power n, x plus y raised to power m plus n. The question is that prove dy by dx is y by x. This is your second star mark question. Why we are saying this is a star mark question? Because power is in the form of m and n. M and n are the numbers. So that means it's not question of log. ये log का question नहीं है. When they given the values of m and n, then this has become more difficult because तब हम इसको पहचान ही नहीं पाते हैं. ठीक है? When they given values of m n, for example, they put the values of m is 1, the values of n is 1, then the answer question is become this x plus y whole cube. Okay, so the star mark question. अब इसको कोई पहचान भी नहीं सकता. The question of log x into y square plus x plus y whole cube. It is a simple question. We can use product rule in the x into y square, but the answer never come. Answer is y by x. So how we put the values of y, because you have y square here. Okay. Then the first, for example, we take the values in fraction. That is 1. Y we take half. Then we get x plus y raised to power 3 by 2. We take the values of m is 2, y is 5. Then the question is becoming this way: x plus y is 7. Okay. So if you take the values in fraction, that is half, y 1 by 3, then x plus y raised to power 5 by 6. All of the question are same. Okay, the answer is always same. That is y by x. Answer is always same. So in previous two classes, the first class 12E is winner, then 12C is winner. Now today we decide which class is winner. We already देखो कितना में है यहाँ. We give the one substitution period to that class which are winners of today. Okay, so 12E is already winner. 12C is already winner. 12A, B, D अभी तक winner नहीं हुई है. ठीक है. Now what is the question? देखो, this is x raised to power m, y raised to power n, x plus y raised to power m plus n. The question is that to prove this, only star mark thing is that it is a question of log. Okay, ये question of log है, and this is not characteristic m and n. We apply log when the power in the form of x. Here the power is not in the form of x, but still it is question of log. Okay, so we are applying log here. That is log x raised to power m, y raised to power n. That is log x plus y raised to power m plus n. Then this is into sign, that is become log x raised to power m. This into is become plus, that is log y raised to power n. This power goes to this side, that is m plus n log x plus y. Okay, now this is m log x plus n log y. This is m plus n log x plus y. अभी तक मैंने इसका डेफिनेशन स्टार्ट नहीं किया है. Now we start the derivative of this question. Okay, this is m log x. This is m log x. So m log x means m by x plus n log y. That is log y is 1 by y into dy by dx equals to log x plus y. Log x plus y means this is term is log and the angle is x plus y. How we differentiate this one? That is m plus n log x plus y is 1 upon x plus y. Then we start the definition of x plus y. This is term, then their angle. What is the term? Term is log. So first we differentiate log. The derivative of log is 1 upon x. So similarly, log x plus y is 1 upon x plus y. Now we start the derivative of x plus y. So that means x is 1, then y is dy by dx. Okay. The derivative of x is 1, the derivative of y is dy by dx. Now this is m by x plus n by y dy by dx. We'll open the bracket, that is m plus n x plus y. Only star mark thing is this, कि we applying log. Otherwise, the simple question. Okay, because of taking log, the first reason when the power is the form of x. So this is x is to power m. They also can give the question this form. They given the values of m and then he says find the dy by dx. Okay, so now we take the dy by dx to the one side. We apply dy by dx to this side. This is n by y minus m plus n x plus y. Then dy by dx is common. We take dy by dx is common, then equals to this thing is that go that side, that is m plus n upon x plus y minus m by x. Now we're taking LCM, that is LCM is yx plus y, that is nx plus ny minus my minus ny into dy by dx. The same thing on the right side, xx plus y, mx plus nx plus minus mx minus my. ठीक है, my is cancelled with mx is cancelled with mx. That is nx, mx plus ny, mx minus my. mx is cancelled with mx, ny is cancelled with ny, x plus y is cancelled with x plus y. We have nx minus my upon y into dy by dx is equals to nx minus my upon x. This is again cancelled and we get the values of dy by dx is y by x. So please note down these all things. Note down this question. This is very important question. This is the second star mark question. We already say if this is, we already say we have 10 to 15 star mark question. So already first question we already done, that is in implicit form. Because 1 plus dy by dx क्या है? One student asking how we get 1 plus dy by dx. That is log x plus y. When you differentiate log x plus y, that is 1 upon x plus y. Log x plus y means 1 upon x plus y. Then we start the differentiation of x plus y. TA rule, term, then their angle. What is term? Term is log. So when we differentiate log, that is 1 upon x plus y. Then differentiation of its angle. Angle is x plus y. What is the derivative of x? X is 1. What is the derivative of y? That is dy by dx. Okay. This is dy by dx. Okay. Please note down this thing. Note down all the things. Copy to this. One student saying, please repeat, sir, from fourth step. Because we repeat total question, we repeat again. X is to power m, y is to power n. That is, we applying log both the side. Only star mark thing is that the question of not log we have apply when the power in the form of x. Here you had not power in the form of x. Still you applying log. So therefore, this is a star mark question. That is a log x is to power m plus log y is to power n. Now this is m log x because power is some that first side. Then n log y. Now we differentiate this m by x plus n by y. Log the differential log y is 1 upon y dy by dx. Okay, then we start this way. Now this is log mx plus y. That is 1 upon x plus y into differentiation of x plus y, 1 plus dy by dx. Okay. Now we start the condition for today. That is 12a by 12a. अब तक winner नहीं हुई है. Neither 12b. Okay. Then 12c, 12d, and e f g. Okay. Then first question is for 12a. The second is for 12b. The third one is for 12c. The fourth one is 12d. Okay. The fourth one is 12d. And the fifth question is for 12e. X cube y square x plus y की power 5. This is the question for 12e. Answer is same. To prove is same. When I say the 12th A class start, give the answer, then only 12th A. 12B, 12C, 12D, 12C, not reply that time. Okay, only 12th A reply. You start 12th A. आज आपको विनर बनना है. Okay, so this is x y square equal to x plus y whole cube is for 12th A. And that for 12B, x to the power 1, y to the power half equal to x plus y की power 3 by 2. For 12C, x square y 5 equal to x plus y की power 7. For 12D, x to the power half, y to the power 1 by 3 equal to x plus y to the power 5 by 6. 12th D. Please start. When I say 12th A is reply, only 12th A is reply. In 12C, we have x to plus y to the power 7. This is 12C question. That is 7. Okay, now the turn for 12th A. Reply 12th A class. The time start. Yes, 12th A class. This is very important question. Yes, one answer comes from 12th A. That is yes, Radhika, good beta, बिल्कुल सही किया है. Siddhant, yes, good. Two answers. 12th A passed. Your time limit is finished within 3 minutes. All the class I start doing the question. When I say give the answer, तभी answer देना है. Okay. First 12th A is given. Yes, Manya of 12th A. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 answers from 12th A side. So 5 marks for 12th A. But start, continue. The time is 2 minutes are remaining. Yes, 12th A class, fast. Yes, 12th A class, only 7 entries are there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5. 12th A, where is 12th A? Only 5 entry. 6. Okay, now 12B start. So 6 points for 12th A, 6 points. After 2 questions, we decide which is the winner. Okay, so for 12th A, we have 6 marks. Then 12B start now. Yes, 12B. Yes, 12B class. Okay, one entry from 12B, that is Samarth Arora. The time limit is only 2 minutes. What happened with 12B? Yes, 2 entry. Palak, yes, good beta. Sneha, from 12B side, only 3 entries. Now the turn for 12C. Yes, C. 4 entries from 12B. Now start 12C. Yes, good, good, good. 12C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayushi, Lakshay, Dhruv, Aishwarya, 6 entry. Okay, then start 12C. Only 6. Seven. Okay, then 12C is 7. The entry from 12C that side. Please, beta, आप जब तक when you cooperate us, then the classes are successful. Okay, so please continue. This is a very, very important topic. The topic of calculus. What happened today? Now the 12th D. Start 20. Yes, the term of 12. Now 12D. Palak Bansal also given 12C answer. Yes, 12D. Yes, Palak Bansal from 12th D. Saksham 12th D. Nipon 12th D. Only 3. A difficult question है. Okay. From 12D side, only 3 in 3. Yes, what happened with 12D? Now start 12th EFG. Okay, start. EFG start. Yes, EFG class start. One entry from Chavi Jain. Apur 2, Misty 3, Priyanshi 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, yes. Again, 12th is winner. Okay, 10 entries, 10, 11, 12, 13. Bus, stop, stop, stop. Then we again we repeat fourth question. Okay. So 12th E and F G are winner because अभी तक उनकी entries आ रही हैं. Okay. So that will be start now. देखो fourth part में again. That is again x half into y की power 1 by 3. Okay. Stop now. Stop. Stop. 1 by 3 is equals to x plus y raised to power 5 by 6. Then we again देखो repeat this question. We 12D ने फिर से entry start कर दी है. Okay. देखो when I say 12D तो 12D reply. अब after that your time is over. देखो this is half log x. We are applying log here. 1 by 3 log y. That is 5 by x log x. 5 by 6 log x plus y. Okay. Then we differentiate. That is half log x. The derivative of log x is 1 by x plus 1 by 3. Log y is 1 by y dy by dx. Then again the same thing. 5 by 6 into log x plus y is 1 upon x plus y, then the derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of y is dy by dx. Now we remove this, देखो half into x. देखो again we see this step. Log x is 1 by x because the simple division of log x. Log y is 1 by y dy by dx. Now the terms of log x plus y. When we differentiate log x plus y, So log x plus y is 1 upon x plus y. Then we start the differentiation of x plus y because that is the angle. So x is 1 plus y is dy by dx. So y is dy by dx. So now we start, this is half x plus 1 by 3y dy by dx. We open the bracket, 5 by 6x plus y plus 5 by 6x plus y into dy by dx. Okay. Now we take this side, that is 1 by 3y minus 5 upon 6x plus y into dy by dx. That is equals to 5 by 6x plus y minus 1 by 2x. Okay. We take LCM. Because this LCM is 6x plus y is LCM. Now 6x plus y, 3y, that is 2x plus y. That means 2x plus 2y. Okay, now plus 2x plus 5. Sorry, LCM is 6y x plus y. Okay, so 3y's cancel, that is 2x plus 2y. Then 6x plus y cancel, minus k 5y into dy by dx. On the right side, we take again LCM, that is 2x x plus y. Okay, 6x x plus y. Then this is 5x minus 2, 3x minus k 3y. This x plus y is cancelled with x plus y. 6 is cancelled with this 6. Then we have 2x minus, 2x minus 5y minus k 3y upon y. Okay. On the right side, dy by dx. On the right side, we have, that is 5x minus 2y. Both are y. It is both are y. That is 5x minus, 5x minus 3x is 2x minus 3y upon x. This is cancelled with this one, and we get the values of dy by dx. Because only this thing with this question, if we have power, we are not having power in the form of x, still we are applying log. This is the main thing in this question. If we have power in the form of number, still we are applying log. This is the star mark thing with this question. Okay. Now we take another question. Please, these all the remaining questions are homework for remaining classes. If the first part is for 12th A, then second, third, fourth part is the homework for the remaining classes. First, the remaining question is homework for 12th A class. Okay, now you see this question, second question. This x raised to power y plus y raised to power x equals to 1. He says, what is the dy by dx? Because this time we are not giving y equal to something. We are given 1 equal to something. Okay, this is again question from NCERT. That is x raised to power y plus y raised to power x equals to 1. And he says, find dy by dx. Okay, so the main problem is that this is not given y equal to, this is given 1 equals to. Okay, so the same thing, because we have plus sign, so this is a question of u and v. So we are applying u and v equals to 1. Then we start the derivative of this du by dx plus dv by dx equals to the derivative of 1 is 0. Okay, this is the first question. अब आपके माइंड में आ रहा होगा, here is not dy by dx, so how we find dy by dx? So when we differentiate u, then we get y, because in the case of u we have y, in the case of v we have y, separately we have not y, we have 1 equal to something here. So dy by dx में direct नहीं निकलेगा. When you start du by dx, then you have dy by dx. Okay, then what is u? U is x raised to power y. Now we are applying log here. That is log u is equals to y log x. Okay, we have y log x. Then differentiation of this log u 1 upon u du by dx is equals to, in y log x we have product rule. Y as it is, log x the derivative is 1 by x plus y as it log x as it is, that the definition of y is dy by dx. We are using product rule here. So du by dx, you put the values of u, that is x raised to power y by x plus log x into dy by dx. Okay, so this is the values of du by dx. This is the values of du by dx. Okay, now we start dv by dx. So what is v? V is y equal to x to the power x, and we are applying log both sides. Again, we are applying log both sides. X log y. So what is log v? Log v is 1 upon v dv by dx equals to 1 into log y plus x into log y is 1 by y dy by dx. Now we are applying the values of dy by dx, that is v is y to the power x log y plus x by y dy by dx. This is your second equation. Okay. Again, you see we have x to the power y plus y to the power x equals to 1. Here it's not given y, they are given 1. Then we start simple differentiation by taking u and v. The first one is u, the second one is v. Simple du by dx plus dv by dx. The derivative of 1 is 0. Then we take separately u and we start the differentiation. When you find du by dx, so already used by dy by dx आ चुका है. Same thing with the dv by dx. Now we're putting in first equation. We are putting the values, all values in first equation. Okay. So du by dx is x is to power y, y by x plus log x into dy by dx plus the values of v, is y raised to power x into log y plus x by y dy by dx equals to 0. ओके अब हम बहुत आराम से dy by dx निकालेंगे. देखो दिस इज x अपॉन y into y by x plus x is to power y log x into dy by dx plus y raised to power x into log y plus x into y raised to power x y log y upon y into dy by dx equals to 0. We open the bracket and we get the values of dy by dx. ठीक है. So dy by dx, finally we get dy by dx is x is to power y minus 1 by minus y raised to power y log x upon x is to power y log x minus x into yx minus 1. So this is the final answer. Okay, we take log dy by dx and then one side, and the second side we put the values of the non dy by dx and we get the answer. So please copy down this. इसको copy करो. This is very 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 important sum. Question number 11 from NCERT. The question number 11 from NCERT. This is y raised to power x plus x raised to power y equals to 1. They are not given y here. Please copy all the thing. This is fair register. Today is the last date for submission of your register. You can submit register in your Google Classroom or WhatsApp to me. That is depend upon you. I've already created Google Classroom for all of you. Okay, different sections. You can upload your homework there. This is x raised to power y plus y to the power x. Now we are taking different question that is based on log. So please note down this all thing. बोर्ड में बहुत बार आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है. दिस इज अगेन द लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन. So one type of question in log that is not in NCERT, it is only in exemplar. ठीक है. These are questions only in exemplar. In NCERT they are not given. Okay, please see. ये क्वेश्चन दिखने में बहुत ड्रामे लगते हैं, but these are very easy question. This is x raised to power infinity. Okay, the second question, y is equals to sin x under root sin x plus root sin x plus root sin x and go till infinity. ठीक है. These are the questions only from exemplar. ठीक है. In RD they are given, but in your NCERT they are not given. Okay. This is third question. How we do these questions? That is very दिखने में अजीब से लगते हैं, but they are easy question. 1 by x so on till infinity. ठीक है. These are the easy questions. सिर्फ दिखने में आपको ये अजीब से लग रहे हैं because they are till infinity. Otherwise, nothing with this. Okay, so these are the very important questions. Fourth, they are given in NCERT. Y equal to sin x, NCERT exemplar. Sin x is to power sin x is to power sin x till infinity. The fifth question, y equals to x plus a by x plus b by x plus a by x plus b by x plus so on till infinity. The sixth and the last, ex plus ex plus ex plus so on till infinity. In all the questions they require dy by dx. Now we say is find dy by dx for all the questions. And that is very very easy. What we see here, this is x is to power x is to power x is to power x till infinity. if one x is removed from here, then there is no effect on the answer because the terms are goes to infinity. So if you subtract one term from the infinity, so that is not change, no change in that question because 1x will be less from infinity, that is no change. So what we see here, if you remove this thing, if you remove this x, so it is same as y. तो इन क्वेश्चन में देखना होता है कि फ्रॉम वेयर द क्वेश्चन इज रिपीट, ठीक है, फ्रॉम वेयर द क्वेश्चन इज रिपीट. तो इफ यू रिमूव दिस एक्स, so it is again y. देखो if you remove this x, so it is again y. देखो this is again a question because if you remove this x, so there is no change on the question. So this x, if you remove this x, if you ignore this x, so it is again y. It is same as question. देखो x to the power infinity, that is again y. We are supposing this is y. If you remove one x from here, then it is again y. Because this is y, this is again y. Because if you remove one x, so no effect on the answer. Because one x if you remove, so there is no effect on the answer. That means this is y equal to x to the power y. Because again you see, if you remove this one x, if you ignore one x, then the remaining x to the power infinity is again y. Okay, these are again y because one, if you subtract one x from the infinity term, there is no effect on the answer. So one, if you remove one x, so there is no effect on the answer. So it is again y. So this is y equal to x to the power y. Now it is a simple question of log because you have power in the form of x. So you are applying log and you get the answer. That is y log x. We are applying log. Then we differentiate 1 by y dy by dx equals to product rule. Y as it is, log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is, then dy by dx, and you get the values of dy by dx very easily from here. Okay, now let's start second question. The second question is y equal to root sin x plus root sin x plus root sin x till infinity. So the second question is for 12th A class. You see from where the question is repeat, from where the question is repeat. Any idea, any guesses from 12th A class? Give the answer. So just for example, if you remove this x, so it is y. You see in this question from where you get again question. You only your only task is your task is that where from y, where the question is repeat. Okay. देखो 1 minute, one student give the answer of 12th class for root sin x. Yes, good बेटा, बिल्कुल सही बता रहा है. ठीक है. The name of the student is not given here. देखो, this is y equal to root sin x plus root sin x. देखो, y is equals to, if you remove this root sin x, if you're removing this root sin x, so it is again y. So this is root sin x plus y. Okay, now these questions are homework. मैं इनका dy by dx नहीं निकाल रहा हूँ. dy by dx आपको खुद निकालना है. We give you only one step. This is a hint. This is sin x is different, y is different. So you squaring both the side, then you start the differentiation. That is y square equal to sin x plus y. The differentiation is easy. Differentiation is not the big task. The differentiation is easy. Only the thing from where we repeat the question. देखो this, if you remove this x, it is not a question. If you remove this one, if you remove this one, then it is y. Because the same thing as y. If you remove this, because this again y. If you remove this one, because x plus 1 by x is y, and the original y is also this. Okay, if you remove this, then you get y. So this is y equals to x plus 1 by y. The differentiation is very simple. Differentiation you can do very easily. Differentiation में तो कोई problem नहीं है. The y is dy by dx, x is 1, then 1 upon y is minus k 1 by y square dy by dx. That is very easy. The main task इसमें ये होता है कि from where we get again question. ठीक है, प्रियांशु गुप्ता. Yes, they have given answer. देखो, this is y equal to x plus y. Now the fourth question. Fourth question again the same. The power goes till infinity. So we see from where we get again a question. ठीक है. So if you remove this sin x, so this is the same thing as y. If you remove this sin x, so this is also y. This is also y. If you remove this, then you have y. So this is y equals to sin x to the power y. And the same thing is here, y equal to e to the power x plus y. You see this fifth question. In this fifth question, if you remove this x, तो वो question नहीं है. ठीक है? If you remove this a, then again is not a question. If you remove till b, देखो आप यहाँ से देखो. This is the question from where you get again a question. X plus a upon x to the b upon. This is b upon y. The only task we see is from where the question is repeating. ठीक है? तो this is y equals to x plus a upon x plus b upon y. Then we take LCM and we get the answer. Please note down all the things. ये copy करो सब कुछ. And find dy by dx. Also you find dy by dx. Second question you find dy by dx. dy by dx is for you. We are only converting in the terms of y. Okay. Now you start the differentiation of these questions. So second question is for 12th A, third is for 12B, fourth is for 12C, fifth for me, and sixth for 12th E energy. So one answer from 12th A, Siddhant. They are given answer 12th A. Okay, 12th A. Siddhant is given the answer. Yes, good beta. Sahi answer hai. No need to put the values of y. Harshit June. They have also given the answer. Please copy down these all questions. Yes. 6640. They are not given name. Yes, Niharika. Because these are the easy questions. Only the problem is that they go till infinity to look like a difficult question, but these are not difficult questions. The simple task we see from where we repeat that. Yes. Yash also given the answer. Now, do not miss the classes. If it is your first class, okay, then from the next class we are starting new topic, that is parametric form. Okay, so from next class आपको आ जाएगा समझ में. If it is your first week, your attendance is very important here. 75% attendance is also compulsory for online classes. And your register having 5 marks. We have paper of 80 marks. Okay, rest 20 marks, 10 marks practical, 5 marks viva, and then 5 marks for register. So these registers are very important. Notebooks के 5 marks हैं. You maintain your register. For 5 marks it is not important. For register वैसे भी बहुत important है. The board paper comes from register and NCERT only. Okay. We discuss all the important question from example in your register. Registers is very important. Nippon of 12D, they also given the answer. Yes, now we rub it. Please copy kar lo. You do all the question at your homework. Okay. Arpita Garg got 12D. Please give take your picture of your photograph register and give me. I also announced the name of the student. उस student को please मुझे answer देना होगा, ठीक है? Yes, Navya of 12th A also given the answer. देखो, now we take last question of today. Okay, this is the last question of today. We'll rub now. Okay, these are the questions, very important question. तो आज का competition अभी count नहीं हुआ. Okay, वैसे 12th is winner, but अभी एक question और देंगे. तो this today competition is continued. देखो, please now stop down. This is x is to power y. This is the last question of today. The question is that if x is to power y, then prove log x upon 1 plus log x whole square. This is a question of log as well as implicit form. Now stop, you see your screen. Okay, now you stop giving the answer. That is x is to power y, e is to power x minus y. So this is clearly the question of log. So when we are applying log here, that is y log x equals to x minus y log e. The values of log e, the values of log e is 1. The values of log e is 1. ये मैंने बहुत पहले बताई थी. So this is y log x equals to x minus y. Now this is a question of implicit function. It is also type 2. If you see your answer is 1 plus log x whole square. And the y is missing in your answer. So if you differentiate here, then you have a trouble because after answer में y आएगा and the y is not in the answer. Okay. That if you see your answer, if you carefully your answer, this is 1 plus log x whole square. That means they are using division rule. They use division rule because numerator upon denominator. That means denominator whole square. That means they are using division rule. What we do when a differentiation start in IKEA, it's the type 2 question of implicit form. We take y this side, then we get the values of y. ठीक है, इसको मैं यहाँ differentiate कर सकता था, but we are not differentiating because the answer is 1 upon log x whole square. So that means they are using division rule. तो हमने इसको यहाँ differentiate नहीं किया, but differentiation हो सकता था. Y log x, this is simple product rule. ठीक है, no need to apply this thing. But answer में because y is missing, तो मुझे अगर if you differentiate in this way, आप इस तरह से differentiate करोगे तब भी आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. But in the final answer you put the values of y because you get the y in answer and y is missing from the two. So in starting we get the values of y, then we start the differentiation of this. Now what is the differentiation? What simple? It is a division rule. 1 plus log x whole square. Okay, 1 plus log x into x is 1 minus x as it is 1 plus 0 1 by x. So x is cancelled with x. So what we get? 1 plus log x minus 1 upon 1 plus log x whole square. This 1 is cancelled. And you get the answer. So this is type 2. Okay, so in tomorrow class we start the parametric form. So please repeat this question. Yes, Asher asking. Please repeat this question. देखो, this is the question. dy by dx is log x upon 1 plus log x whole square. This is log x upon 1 plus log x square. This is the answer. But this is clear. It is x to the power y, and it is a question of log. Okay, this is clear because you have power in the form of y, therefore we are applying log. So when we apply log, so one step मैंने खा लिया है, ठीक है, मैंने डायरेक्ट लिख दिया y log x. So this is y log x because we are using log m raised to power n, that is n log m. So y log x equals to x minus y log e. The values of log e is 1. Okay, now this is y log x equals to x minus y. The values of log e is 1. Therefore we put the log e is 1. Now this is y log x equal to x minus y. If we differentiate on this step, then we have a problem. In answer, you are not having y. Okay, and if you differentiate on this step, you get y. So finally, फिर आपको y की value लगानी पड़ेगी. But the answer indicates that 1 plus log x whole square. That means they are using division rule here, and we have not division rule here. Okay, then what we do? We take y on this side and we get the values of y from here. Then we start the differentiation because now we have y equals to x upon 1 plus log x, and this is the question in numerator upon denominator form. So simply we differentiate it and we get the answer. Okay, so that's all for today. Dekha ma'am.